Okay, so to roughly talk on what just happened, you were able to see a space that was already designed. In that case, that was a supermarket, and you could detect brands, walk through it with people. But let's say you're a business owner and you want to use the 360 captured space to create a virtual showcase for your products or services. We have managed to make vPark Alpha super easy. You don't need any code background necessary, and everything can be imported to set up your shop. So in this demo, as you can see here, I already created a Shopify. I have a couple items I want to showcase in my shop. I have some Yeezy Boost. I have some in-game content which I want to sell out. I have a school bag, Nintendo Switch games, and NFT digital artwork. So I want to import all of these products into a virtual space, then invite people into that virtual space so that I can walk them through it, and hopefully I can sell my products there. So this is super simple. I'll just walk you through how we create the rooms and how we can make all of this possible. This is vPark Alpha. So I would come down to inventory. And as you can see here that my vPark development store is already connected. I have my NFTs, my Nintendo Switch games, and all my products I want featured in the space. I can then hop on to properties. Let's create a room now. Okay. So we start out by first choosing a background available. Let's see. All of this looks good. I want to go to Salesforce Park. But maybe let's also add another change in scenery. Let's add Yosemite National Park too. Okay, cool. Let's have a video conferencing technology. Maybe I want to play some chill music in my store. I'll incorporate Spotify too. Let's see, these are the assets now. We allow you to have virtual spaces built up. We allow you to render 3D models and import your products from Shopify as well. So let me just go ahead and import 3 items. Cool. Now you see I have all of this set up. I can simply copy the URL, paste it, and launch the room. Now this is what it looks like in startup.
Jorn will do the magic.
Right. Okay, whenever we're ready. Awesome. Okay, so you can see now that we have loaded into the space. Nice. So this space was captured in Salesforce Tower, Salesforce Park, but we were able to render this space on top of it to provide an immersive experience. Now that I'm in this space, I can use my WASD functions to move around and see what I have here. So these are my products from imported from Shopify, but I don't like how it's presented. No problem. Just double click on it. No code necessary. You see this is a bag. We can move it. Let's move it here. Maybe rotate it so our audiences can see it. Make it bigger, make it more noticeable. Cool. Now let's move it up a bit. All right. Have that be a focal point. I like that. Let's save that there. What else do we have? So as you can see, this is super simple. No code necessary. I'm just moving and placing my products where I want to show them. Let's have this over here. Make this slightly bigger. Awesome. This looks good. And that is my in-game item. So maybe I can render a 3D mockup of what that would look like. So take, for example, that this dragon over here is the in-game item or a 3D mockup. And this is a super cool feature. We can position it, we can hide it behind things, but we can also scale it, make it huge, that our audiences see it, interact with it, and it's still animatable. Nice, I like how that looks. I like the space. I got one last item that I want to showcase. Let's just move this over into this empty space here. Rotate it over and scale it.
Nice.
Nice. Do you guys like my shop?
Sure, good design, Jordan.
Okay, but now that I have my shop up, let's work on the cool part. Let's invite the rest of the vPark team into the space as well. So you
Right.
copy a URL similar to like a Zoom link. Let me shoot it over to them.
All right, we will be all muting ourselves. So there is no echo.
Yep. Okay. So let's just wait for my colleagues to hop into the space. This is a little bit close. Let's just move it over here. Save. Oh, I see Ricky in. Hey, Ricky, how's it going?
Good. All right, I see the dragon.
Welcome to my shop. Please feel free, walk around, take a look at the products, make yourself at home. Let me know if I can help you.
What is this?
What is what?
Spaceship A.
Oh, that's a backpack for kids. Are you interested in buying a backpack today?
Yeah, how can I buy it, Jordan?
Okay, so right when a customer wants to check out, super easy. We have integrated Shopify to take in the orders. All you need to do is click on this backpack that you're interested in. You see on the bottom left, let me add that to the cart. And you can see we have a cart here. Okay, so Darren, do you want to check out on this backpack here today?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, then we send the order in, click OK, and that's going to notify Shopify to fulfill this order. So everything is super simple, all made ready to go on this platform. We can help you work on the design, any assets you want to import in to render. We just contact us and we can help you set that up.
Yeah,
super easily.
I love this dragon here. Kind of like it wants to step on me.
Can you make it even bigger, John? I'm
yeah,
right.
Sure.
I want him
to. Is this big enough for you?
Oh, the bag would be broken. Godzilla coming to San Francisco. There's another movie.
But okay, let's say we've had enough of this Salesforce space, right? Let's see if I can entertain them somewhere else. All I need to do is hit the hat, hit sequence. Let's jump to the next scene.
Yeah. I want to get closer to her. I want to talk to her.
Let's check.
So are you guys loaded in? You guys see a change?
Not yet.
Not yet.
One.
Okay. Looks like we're experiencing some difficulties with the background loading in. No worries. This is just to showcase what is possible on our platform. As you can see, now let's take this one step further. Instead of just showing you what's able to be done, let's actually mock up a high definition interior design space. And for that, let me hand that over to Heather.
Can I show you something cool as well before we move on?
Yeah, sure. Go for it.
If you see Jorn's room there, if you see Heather and me, you can see there are 4 icons underneath the video, and the bottom right, the right one is pretty much a whisper tool there. So that is, I think this will be very, very useful for people who are in the mixer situation. Let's say, I just want to talk to Heather and Ricky wants to talk to Jorn. We don't want to listen to everybody's talking. Like in Zoom, we always hear everybody, right? So no, you cannot talk in parallel. But with this, you can talk between just 2 of you, and then the other can just entertain themselves. So it's very literally resembling the real mixer situation. So that's it. I just want to point that out.